welcome to another vlog. My name is Nick if you're new here. I didn't do my normal intro. Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. And today I'm here with a vlog. This is not the video I planned to go up today. You guys are seeing this Tuesday. I'm filming this on Sunday, April the 2nd of 2023. I wasn't planning on having a vlog today. I was going to do an Ibotta haul and I was actually really excited about it because yesterday on Swagbucks, I noticed this deal popped back up for the Baby Dove wipes for $7 back on 2. And only one Walmart within like 30 miles carries these, which is really weird. Like 7 stores, only one of them carries them. So when I saw it pop up yesterday, I was like, yes, I am so excited. I'm going to go to the store that has these. It was like a crazy big moneymaker. And basically I was going to do this deal, make the overage from the Baby Dove and be able to use that overage to put together a nice haul for you guys. But this came back. Okay, so I did this deal in March and it went away because on Swagbucks, I could do it like twice per month or something. It came back yesterday on April 1st. And I was like, yes, it came back. I'm going to be able to do this again. I'm so excited. I wanted to go yesterday to the Walmart that has these, but it was crazy, like crazy windstorm yesterday. People's power was being knocked out. Like it was crazy wind, like trees falling down. It was crazy. So I didn't venture out to this other Walmart, but I was going to do it today. But what do you know, yesterday at like 11 o'clock at night, I was looking through and checking and the rebate was yanked. So no Baby Dove for me. Don't you guys just love when your couponing gets derailed? When you have a plan and in theory it should work, but they just decide to yank it early and kind of like derails your entire couponing. That's what happened to me. Like I was so stoked to do this deal because this is actually something we'll use. So it would have been perfect, but rebates yanked, so I can't do it. And that kind of like ruined my haul. So I was like, you know what? Next best thing, let's just do a vlog. I know some of you guys really enjoy these. It's going to be a fun day. So let's do a vlog. So Baby Dove is out. I am going to church this morning. That's why I'm dressed up. So we're going to be heading to church. Actually, we got to leave like now. So I got to wrap this up. I'm going to go to lunch and to Target and film my video and all the things. It's going to be a fun day, but it's later now. Church is done. It was really, really, really good. Interesting. He said, like, I never heard this before. Hosanna. I thought Hosanna was just like a term for praise, which it is, but in the noun form, like in its original form or something, it meant save us. So in the Bible, when they were, waving the palm branches at Jesus and saying, Hosanna, Hosanna, I just always assumed that was praise, but it actually also means like save us. And that's just like even more ironic because, that was right before, Jesus died on the cross so we could be saved. It was just like really like those new things that you learn. But yeah, that was really good. But anyways, we are at Tumbleweed, going to enjoy some lunch. Hopefully it's not too busy. That sounds really good right now. So let's grab some Tumbleweed. Dad left his keys on the table, so that could have been a crisis. But
so much for that memory enhancing supplement I'm taking.
Yeah. All right, so time to film my Target video. A lot of you guys wonder, let me turn the camera on me. I'm getting questions lately from people saying like, why are you so dressed up at Target? Does Target have a dress code? No, Target does not have a dress code. I know a lot of people perceive it as like a more rich person's kind of Walmart, but no. I am dressed up just because there is a Target, like I don't have a Target close to me, but there is a Target by my church. So when I come to church, it just makes the most sense to film Target afterwards since I'm already in an area with a Target. So that's why I'm always dressed up in Target. There is no like dress code or anything like that. Several of you guys were like, oh, is there why are you so dressed up at Target? But that is why. I didn't tell you guys about the food. It was so good. I get the same thing every time I go. The mesquite grilled chicken breast, they put a honey chipotle sauce. There's a bunch of sauces you can get, but I get that one. So good. They fry corn on the cob. I know it's not the healthiest, but that's so good too. Their jalapeno cornbread croutons, they like home make. So good. Guys, Tumbleweed, and there's not that many of them like around, I don't think. It's kind of like a regional thing just in the Midwest, but it is so good. If you ever go near a Tumbleweed, You need to order what I just told you. You will not regret it. And plus you get free chips and salsa. Like, who could complain about free chips and salsa? But really good. I probably should say this in the spirit of keeping it real on this vlog. At Tumbleweed, I managed to spill an entire full glass of water all over the table and all over the floor. Yeah, that was real smooth, Nick. Good job. Now, I felt so bad. I was like, I am so sorry. And she's like, it's fine. It's just water. But I was like, I know, but that's still really embarrassing. So unfortunately, you guys aren't going to be able to do this when I'm posting the vlog. But you can get this for free at Walmart. So if you guys really want one, you could get it for free over there. But I'm going to do it at Target today. Airwick's $11.99. I have a 50% off circle that runs out today. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to pay $5.99 and get back $6 on my Ibotta, just making this totally free. So that's nice. And I actually have somebody who loves the Airwick Essential Mist kits, so we like give these to her all the time, just like as a thank you. She's one of my great uncle's like caretakers who helps take care of him like a nurse, so yeah, she loves these. So a little way to say thank you, but I'm gonna pick these up. Target's got all their nice Easter candies out. They got Easter cotton candy. Oh my gosh, I bet that's good. And they also have all the Peeps, cotton candy Peeps, that's new. Tropical Burst Peeps, that's also new. Then it's got the classic Peeps. They've gone up this year. Didn't these used to be like $1.50? Now they're $2.49. And then they have the Peeps. These are new, I think. Maybe not. Marshmallow dipped Peeps with chocolate. I bet that's good. All sorts of good Halloween. What am I talking about? It's not Halloween. It's Easter. Easter candy. All sorts of cool stuff. So I honestly don't know why we haven't thought of this before, because we've been doing Target for like 2 years now. But my mom, I was doing these deals on the 9 Elements, and she got really excited because I guess she likes these vinegar cleaner thingies, and we found the bathroom cleaner. Let me just show you what I got. So I found this bathroom 9 Elements cleaner for $3.84 on clearance, and they have a $3 circle, so it makes it 84 cents. So getting this dish soap, the 9 Elements, it's the eucalyptus scent. It's marked down to $1.99. I have no idea why, but I have a $3 circle just down, making it free. And so I was doing all these, and my mom was like, can we only get one? I was like, well, yeah, I can only get one on my circle account. And then we just had this like epiphany. Why don't you have a circle account? Like, because you love Target so much. So she actually did have one. We just forgot about it. So she got back on there, and now she's going to be able to get 2 on her account. I can get 2 on my account, all is well in the world. So I'm getting the Airwick for free. I'm getting this dish set for free and 84 cents for the 9 Elements, which is great. Mom's getting the 9 Elements deals as well. She also got this thingy, a mug tree, the magnolia thing. I think she was deciding on that. Did you decide to get it?
I think so.
Okay. And then we also got some candy, because why not? So these are buy one get one 25% off. So Reese's and Cadbury eggs. And then she found these plates what do you use these for? To give the cats their like wet food or something?
Just throw it away when they're done.
Yeah, I hate wet cat food so much, it makes me want to vomit. These were on clearance for half off, so she went ahead and stocked up and got some of those. So pretty successful Target trip today. Actually, I'm feeling pretty good about it. So yeah, I don't know I'm a thrifty shopper when I was thinking about getting these pens, and then I noticed back here they have one that says 1 free pen. So instead of getting one of these, I'm going to literally take them all off, get the one with the free pen, and put these back, because 1 extra pen for the price is totally worth it. I'm a pen like addict. I love pens. Okay, so I was looking, this is kind of crazy. This is a beach tote. It's in the dollar spot for $5. I've kind of been looking for something to put all my like notebooks and stuff in. Like to have all my things in one spot. I'd rather have it in like a portable thing so I could carry it from my bedroom to my office to wherever I need it in the house. So I thought this actually might be good. And for $5, it's a pretty good deal. So I'm actually gonna do a test. I'm gonna go to the office supplies and put a 8.5 by 11 binder in it and see how it fits and if there's like how much room and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that. So this actually should work out really well. So see, it puts a binder in here. I have a journal and a binder. I've been doing like a journaling thing this year, so it would fit, and then my planner would also fit in here, and then like I have a pin pouch thingy that would fit in here. I also need to find something to put my stamps in, because I've been trying to do stamping in my planner and things, so maybe find a little small pouch for that. But this should really help my organizational solutions. So yeah, here we go. My dad does this too, and it drives me insane. They spend forever looking at things in Target, or not at any store, not just Target. They spend forever looking at things, and then they're like, yeah, I'm going to get it. And then when we're leaving, they're like, nope, I'm going to put it back. So like, why did you waste our precious time looking at something and like going back and forth, and you're like, okay, I'm going to get it. And then last minute, you're like, no, I'm not going to get it. It's like, I'm a person, maybe this is just, I'd say it's a guy thing, but my dad's just like her. So maybe it's not, I pretty much know what I want, and I don't go back and forth 100 times on it. I just like, okay, I want this, I'm getting it. But I don't know. Let me know down below. Do you guys like debilitate things over and over and then like put stuff back at the last minute? Because that's what she does, and that's what Dad does too. And it's like, Katie used to do that all the time too when Katie still lived here. It's like, just decide what you want and get it. But anyways, whatever. Oh, I also got a thing of vitamin water too because I'm really thirsty. This is expensive, but my mouth is so dry. I didn't get a drink at the restaurant, so kudos. Saved still half the price of what a drink at the restaurant was. So this is not too bad. Anyways, I think we're finally done at Target. We were in here forever. So yeah, but we're gonna go check out and I'll catch you guys when we go. Look who is with me while I'm editing. You're so sweet, Mia. All right, guys, back from Target, back home now, and about to get started on editing this vlog. I like to edit as I go. I know some people will vlog, and sometimes they'll vlog multiple days and like edit it all at once. That's not how I do it. If I can, I like to edit as I go, like throughout the day, and it just makes it easier on me that way. So I gotta edit though, since I've really not been home most of the day, I gotta edit the footage or whatever. So yeah, I'll work on that, and then I also will have to get my Target video ready to go for Monday, which you guys will have already seen it by now. Go watch that if you haven't already. It's really good. Oh, and I'm wearing a shirt. Mockingjay, I know you're watching. Mockingjay is my friend's mom. She got me this shirt for Christmas. It's an Arthur shirt, and I love it. It is so nice. So I'm wearing the shirt you got me, Mockingjay. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So Target video is scheduled and ready to go. It is such a great week over there. Like, I really hope you guys enjoy that video. Been working on editing the vlog. I'm all edited up to this point thus far. And yeah, now I feel like a nap is in order, or just like, even if I don't like fall asleep, just like chill, lay in bed, chill, watch something on YouTube or on TV or something. I'm like exhausted. So yeah, I definitely have been super productive. Got all my work stuff squared away for today and feeling good. All right, guys, it is a few hours later, and I did take a little rest and a small, like, 10-15 minute power nap. It hit the spot. It really did. So, yeah, that was nice. But I want to give a shout out to Mama. I know she's watching. She watches all my videos. She actually got a newspaper today and gave me the coupon inserts, which was so nice. Got some really good coupons in here. I haven't been getting newspapers lately because the newspapers just got really expensive, and it's kind of a hassle. Sometimes the places run out on Sunday, and I don't know. But I'm actually really excited for this week because we got the cosmetic coupons. And if you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know that my Walmart has had these on crazy clearance, like the concealer, the CoverGirl concealer they have for $1. So that'd be $2 overage. There were some other really good ones in here too. Actually, it was a pretty good week of inserts. We got Snuggle coupons in here, Axe, Dove. We got some good ones, really good ones. There was another one in here I was excited about. I think Revlon. I'm hoping the Revlon ones came in here. I don't know if we got them or not. Oh, we did. Awesome. $3 off, $3 off, and my Walmart has these for $1, so that's great. And then, oh, Almay too. Wow, that's really great. Can I help you, Mia? What are you doing? What are you doing, ma'am? What are you doing? Anyway, oh, she's on my keyboard. All right, got Mia, so that's good to go. So this is the coupons, and then I thought I would show you guys my little planner, caddy, basket, organizational thing, and I am so glad. $5 well spent. And I know the Dollar Tree does sell organizational stuff, but for this, like, there is no way a Dollar Tree basket would hold up like this thing does. Like, this is a very heavy-duty plastic, can easily be bent, folded, a lot of stuff can go in here. I love it. So this is, yeah, it definitely was worth getting at Target. And $5, I mean, that's really not that much money for a really nice organizational thing. I mean, think about stores like the Container Store and things like that. I mean, something like that would be way more expensive. But $5 out of the dollar spot, awesome. And it's in a beach bag, but it can work for anything. You could put cleaning supplies, like a cleaning caddy. You can do all sorts of things in this. But let me show you how I got mine. So this, I wanted it to be portable so I can easily just take it with me. It's kind of hard in a way because I got this big thing in the back, but I can still easily grab onto it and carry it. Or I could even just like hold it from the bottom as well. But I wanted all my stuff to be in a basket so that I could just take it from room to room to room. Like there's times okay, in my bedroom, maybe before bed or when I first get up in the morning, I want to have this so I can make my to-do list. Or sometimes at night when we're watching TV in the living room as a family, I will do it, make a to-do list in my planner. I take it up to my office where I work. So I need all this stuff with me, but it's kind of hard like to carry it all without being in a nice basket. So I had not found the perfect thing to organize it in. But this is awesome, and for $5 you can't get it wrong. So let me show it to you guys. So I got my iPad in here because I use that thing all the time. In here I have this. This is actually an old notebook cover, but I'm just like repurposing it to put sticker books and stencils and things like that. I don't use these all the time, but they're kind of nice to have. Also I have this. This is a pen, like a pen organizer thing. I got this at Walmart, and I keep my mild liners and some pens in here. I got the pens I got today at Target, as well as these new Zebra, let me get my focus, Zebra Click Art. Sorry, my focus is being horrible on my camera. Geesh, Zebra Click Art pens, there we go. I love those. Then I have my planner here, and I have my journal here, which I'll have to get more into what I'm doing in my journal in another video. So this thing is almost perfect. The only dilemma I'm currently having is that I want to be able to put my stamps in here, and I'm currently not found like a way to fit them right. Like I tried just putting them all in a like hefty bag, but it just made this really bulky and it wouldn't make my other stuff fit. So I got to find a good way to store my stamps. I don't have an absolute ton of stamps, just some like alphabet ones, date ones, and some like functional ones. So like I have a video stamp, so I use that for filming, and a cleaning stamp that I use for like laundry and things like that. Because I'm a big boy now and started doing my own laundry. That's yeah. So yeah, things like that. But so I gotta find a way, something small and compact to fit my stamps in here. If anybody has any suggestions, I'd love to hear them down below. I thought about like a pencil box or something. Maybe we'll see. We'll think about that. We'll see what I can do. But guys, I'm actually gonna go ahead and call this a vlog. I really hope you enjoyed following me along on this Sunday day in the life. You're seeing this on Tuesday. You're actually going to have another vlog on Thursday. We are making up for lost time because I have been not vlogging very much lately. And it just happened this week that I had 2 days without couponing videos. So vlogs to the rescue. Vlogs are back. So I'll be back in 2 days with another one. I hope you're excited. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching.